Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to do the Rudolf the reindeer. So this is what you need. You need polymer clay in brown. I did a ball of polymer clay for the head, a ball of polymer clay for the body, and a ball of polymer clay that I'm going to divide for the legs. So okay, let's going to start. So for the body, you're just going to extend like this. I already warm up my clay, so this is what I'm going to do, and then you flatten like that on the bottom so you have like something to stand on. So this will be sort of the shape of the body. There you go. Then for the legs, you just start rolling your clay into like a snake. Roll your clay, and then you divide your clay into 4 portions. And then you grab one of the legs and flatten like this. Go. You make like this kind of shape. Squeeze to the front. It's like a little, like I do sometimes my teddy bears, little legs, people, like that kind of shape. So you do 4 of those ones, and then you come and you shape the leg into this, the back leg into this kind of form, like sometimes like when I do the puppies, and the front leg like that. So I'm just gonna attach the other ones. So your reindeer start to look like this. There you go. And then you come with white clay. You roll like sort of a ball or something, and you just extend, and you come to the front on his chest, and you attach the white clay on his chest. And then you attach a toothpick on the body, just like that, because you're going to attach the head. Okay, for the head, you're gonna grab the ball and you're going to squeeze like a sort of like that kind of shape, flatten a little bit area. So this will be his cute nose. So you flatten, see that kind of shape. So you flatten here, and then you grab some white and you flatten the white, and you come and attach that white to his nose. Then you roll some red clay into a snake. With your roller, you just flatten that red snake clay like that. And then you cut, trim, of course. This is going to be this color. You just trim away, reduce into a nice size color. There you go, just like that. And then you grab the head, put the head attached to the body. Go. You grab your, try to look underneath, of course. And you grab some gold clay, make little dots, put them on a red color, flatten, and just do all over. End up being like this. Then you grab your reindeer, attach his collar all the way back. There you go. Just like that. Just try to remove the excess. I'm just gonna grab my knife. I like to use my knife sometimes. There you go. He's got his nice little collar. There you go. And then we do his two little ears. Of course it will be sort of pointy, sort of. Then you grab some gold, you put in the ears, inside the ears. The same shape of the pointy bit. With the help of your tool, this tool here, you just do like that. So they look exactly like this. Then of course you attach them to your little cutie, just like that. Grab them both. It will end up looking like that when his ears are in place. Then you grab some white clay with your rollers, just roll, and come with your knife or your cutting tool, what you want to use, and make like a triangle kind of shape. And you're gonna, there you go, see if you guys can see, you put it here right between his ears, going all the way back. It's going to be this little detail. There you go. And then you grab two bowls of gold clay, you make them into this kind of shape. You flatten those ones. There you go. You make your reindeer antlers, just like that. Then you make them pointy in this end here. And then you attach them right behind his ears or something like that, or on the side like that. So you guys can see, attach them like behind the ears. I'll show you on the back. See how it looks? There you go. And then with this tool, you just with your finger under the body and behind the ears, you just go and shape them in that traditional shape that you know. So they end up looking just like that. Then you grab again this tool, you try to make his eyes the shape. This tool is really great because you can make really nice shape, exactly the same, all the same. There you go. There you go. You look like that. And then you grab some white and try to put them in the same shape like that you created. Put them in the eye position, eye socket. There you go. You grab your tool, you flatten everything nicely. With the help of your fingers, try to make everything in nice shape. Then you grab 2 black little dots and place them inside. Hold on, just gonna shape them nicely so they'll be completely inside. Go like that, and then I put 2 white dots inside the eyes, so it's time to take shape. Looks very cute. Then you grab some brown, do this like kind of shape. There you go. And you add a tiny bit of white on the back. Just like that. And then this will be, of course, his little tail. You attach his little tail. And you point the tail like that. Sorry, it was not on camera. I'll show you in a minute how it looks. There you go. Then I went along and I put 2 little dots inside his ears, just 2 ears to pop a little bit more. There you go. And then with my tool, I came here on the sides and I gave him a little cute smile, just like that. Just want them to make him cute. Just on the sides, just very gentle. So he looks, I don't know if you guys can see on the camera. My lights are fading. There you go. Went along, I did a snake. I was just looking at him and I was like, oh, there's something missing here. And this is of course, my version of Rudolf. And I do it my way. I don't follow any other people's ways, so I do my little version. So I put on his little paws some gold, did a little snake right in the front. I flatten her all out, just like so, and it will look like this. So there you go, it's all 4 paws, got that. Then I just did those 2 marks here on his front legs. There you go, so it looks like that. And of course, to finish and to top off, Rudolph is not Rudolph without his red nose. So there you go. Now I'm gonna pop him in the oven at 220 to 250 for about 20 minutes and then I come back. So there you go, he's just been baked, just came out of the oven, still a little bit warm. That's my little cute reindeer Rudolph. So if you guys can see on the back, got this little cute tail, and that's it, it's all done. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you like this little cute reindeer Rudolph. Please don't forget to subscribe here on my YouTube, to follow me on Twitter, and to follow me on SweetMimiDoll Facebook. See you later. Bye.